and Financial Provider of the Year. I would like to call up, but I don't think he's here. Zlatina, could you come up on stage? We'd like you to give one of the awards away. One of your colleagues is not here, so you get to take care of it for them. So come join us. And this is for our Tax and Financial Provider of the Year.
And these are the nominees: Adecco Poland, ASB Group, Linklaters, Magnusson, MDDP, and TPA Poland.
Okay, and the
winner is TPA Poland.
That you have won this award, in particular, since I have joined the TPA this year, and I do feel that it was very good decision. It's nice to be a part of the winning team. I would like to thank you to all the green members who voted for us and everyone who contributed to the success. Thank you.
Great, come on over here and we'll get a photo with all of us together here.